Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house. And today I've got the Rockstead Chi here with me for a quick review. This is a beautiful piece, guys. It's a knife made in Japan with aluminum scales. Has an overall length of 7.25 inches with the handle roughly of around a little bit over 4 inches of length. It's a great knife. Really cool design. I like it. Looks like almost an integral, but it's not. It's like you can see the seam over here. Aluminum scale. Has a YXR7 steel DLC coated. Look at this. This is black diamond-like carbon coated. Crazy hardness on this steel over here, guys. This is insane. It's beautiful. Look at this. The reflection of this is fantastic. Flat grind. The sound this guy makes when you open, it's like that, and when you close it, very subtle thud, and when you open, it's nice. Look at this. Very cool. Has 3.8 ounces weight. The grip is really cool. Actually, the clip disappears in the pocket, even if in the hand, even if it's shaped like this, and you would assume that this is gonna give you a hotspot, but no, this is pretty good, guys. Zero hotspots, nice grip. There's some jimping going on over here. It's a nice liner lock overall. Runs on washers, and it's pretty smooth. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. But thanks for watching, and stay tuned.